Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, God of light, God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. At all extremes and in between, realize and experience and practice the sacred formulas that you use. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Whether or not we accept it, we are under criminal, civil, and spiritual laws. The beyond qualities impregnates the material world with attributes. A guru will raise the classes of people. If moving with chanting is adopted, the other virtues will replace the vices. Life should be spent in acquiring spiritual benefit. It matters what and how you worship. Priests are supposed to act as mouthpieces surrendered unto God, or whatever they're claiming to be a priest of, right? It is not so much that your duty, it's not so much what your duty is. Rather, it is what you do about your duties. Spiritual seeds can be emitted from any part without impurity. Accept the value into your life that you wish others to accept. God is for all forms of life, and God is known by these forms. True yoga, or true tantra, necessitates becoming unentangled, yet not denying or detaching from what we are inherently a part of. Controlling the mind will be impossible if desire is outside of spiritual purpose. Consciousness should be carefully worked in detail. It is said that sound and light mixed with ignorance after the initial creation. Creation is said to be by the word first. Death is the test of the quality of life. Those who die with their consciousness for God go directly to the special kingdom of God. Train for that moment. Lesser successes will not have loss of merit, and you'll be rewarded thus. There are lesser heavenly planets and the Krishna Loka. If it doesn't regulate thoughts and actions, it is not religion. Religion is to produce self-realization and God-realization on a voluntary basis. Tolerance is a cause of continuance. Appreciation is by its particular contexts. Yadi vrajasya tehaya madvacho baram bhavatya natato bhavishyate sambhavatasya svajanat parambhavo yara sasandyo maranaya kalpate. If you go neglecting my words, the good is not for you then. It will become the most respectable. You were the most respectable by your own relative, and were insulted by that. That insult immediately is equal unto death. Because death is not that. You're most respectful. You've become deserving of the insult of your relative, right? The the most respectful of your relatives. Okay, but I botched with my translation there, but Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Red, blue, yellow, in reverse order, whatever different varieties of light and sound help you to understand that divinity is everywhere. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.